In this video, we'll address iPhone unable to load video error and how to fix it. There's no specific reason for the iPhone error loading video. This isn't a complex error, it needs little tweaks in the device's settings and a fresh start. Trick 1. Update app showing video load error. 1. Launch the App Store and tap on your profile at the top. 2. Scroll through the apps to find the app you are looking for, and tap the update icon next to it. Also, you can choose the update or option to update all the apps at once. Trick 2. Set revert to original before you open the video. 1. Open the Photos app, then choose Video, click the Edit tab and revert on the interface. 2. Click Revert to Original, then see if you can play the video without the error. Trick 3. Edit camera settings. 1. Run settings on your iPhone, then open the camera option. Click on Formats, then choose Most Compatible. 2. After that, tap the back icon, then turn off the Smart HDR option by changing the switch off position. 3. Open the Preserve settings and then set the camera mode option to on. Restart the iPhone and see if the videos are loading correctly. 4. If not, open Settings Camera Record Video and choose 4K at 60 fps. Now see if the video loads. 5. If the issue is still unresolved, check if setting the record video in the camera settings of your iPhone to 1080p HD will help. Trick 4. Disable View Full HDR. 1. Launch Settings and click on Photos. 2. Turn off the View Full HDR option by toggling the slider to the off position. Then restart the iPhone and see if the problem is cleared. Trick 5. Check the available storage. To check available storage space, head to Settings General iPhone Storage. Then you'll see the used storage. Make sure the free space is at least 2 GB. Trick 6. Disable low power mode if it's on. 1. Head to the Settings menu by clicking on the Settings app on your iPhone. Select Battery. 2. Now toggle off the low power mode slider. Trick 7. Restart your device. Trick 8. Disable Optimize Storage feature. 1. Open the Settings menu on your iPhone and tap on the Your Name option. 2. Click on iCloud Photos. Under Optimize iPhone Storage, click on Download Keep Originals.